Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Uh, if you want to download Windows on your Mac OS, you might be facing this kind of error. Bootcamp Bootcamp installation failed. Okay, you might be facing this kind of error. So the main reason is the reason of this error is your Mac OS itself. So even I was facing this kind of error, and how I have uh, able to solve this problem. So even I checked on the YouTube, I have seen almost all the videos on the YouTube. None of the video worked for me. So what the reason was of this? The reason was the Mac OS itself. Okay, my Mac OS was Mac OS Sierra. So what I did is I have upgraded Mac Sierra to Mac OS Monterey. Okay, this first step. You have to do this first step, and everything will be sorted out. So you have to upgrade your Mac Sierra if you are having any other software, any other uh, up- any other version of Mac. You have to upgrade that to Mac OS Monterey. Okay. How you will upgrade it? How you will upgrade this? Just go and type. Just go and Google. Type Mac OS Monterey download. Okay. You will come to this. And you need to click on this first site. You will come to this site and just click on download. You will click on this link and click download. And the total size of this software is 12.1 GB. So make sure you have this much of internet, and you have this internet speed. So it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. Okay. After uh, after downloading this software, what you need to do is just you have to come on the second step. Just go to this about this next, and just you need to click on this software update. You need to check is there any software update or not. Since I have already uh, upgraded and already updated, so it's latest version. So I have already done this. Okay. So after doing these two steps, you then here at the final step, go to Bootcamp Assistant and click on the continue button. Like you need to go to Bootcamp Assistant. So after coming to this pop-up, right? You have to click continue, and finally you will be able to install Windows on your Mac. Thank you.